Everybody, this is Bee from Mama Bee's Kitchen. I hope you have a great day. Today guys, I'm going to show you my recipe for baked cod with crusted Cabaret crackers with a touch of dijonaise. This recipe guys is very easy. You can put it together in 20 minutes. You won't believe how easy it is. Just stick around and let me show you how it's done. Look how it is, guys. So good, flaky. So good. So let's get right into it, guys. You know Mama Bee doesn't like to waste time. For the ingredients, you'll need a cod fillet, Dijon mustard, garlic powder, paprika, salt, black pepper, white wine, mayonnaise, butter, Cabaret crackers, lemons, and parsley. We're gonna start off by heating our oven to 400 Fahrenheit. Next, we're gonna take about 3 tablespoons of butter and melt it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Into my Ziploc bag, I'm gonna put 3 crackers, then just crush them like this, guys. It's so easy. I'm applying my martial arts techniques here, guys. Okay, into my crushed crackers, I'm gonna add about half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of paprika. Mind you guys, this crackers are crisp and buttery. We're gonna add lemon zest, then I'm gonna add the zest to the cracker mixture and mix everything together till combined. Then I'm gonna add about 1 tablespoon of butter. Then I'm gonna set it aside. To my bowl, I have mayonnaise. I'm gonna add Dijon mustard, lemon juice. Then I'm gonna mix all this together. Okay. Just like so, guys. Mix all this together. Just like so. Next, I'm gonna add my fillet to the baking dish and season them with salt and pepper. Just like so, guys. Then I'm gonna drizzle my fillets with melted butter. I'll move them around and make sure they are coated with butter underneath as well. Into the oven for 10 minutes. Okay, now I pulled my fish at 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna drizzle the fish with the juice of half a lemon. Then I'm gonna add about 1/4 cup white wine. Next, I'm gonna take the dijonaise sauce and spread all over the fish. This is gonna act as a glue to my breadcrumbs. Then I'm gonna add cracked mixture on top. Make sure, guys, you press gently to adhere to the fish. Bake into the oven for another 5 minutes until the crumb topping is browned. This is how it looks, guys, after 15 minutes. Now I'm gonna transfer it to a platter. I'm gonna garnish it with parsley. And finish off with lemon slices. There you have it, guys. Baked cod fish with crusted Cabaret crackers. This recipe, guys, is so good. It's fast, simple, and delicious. So try it, guys. Let me know how it turned out in the comments down below. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Mama Bui's Kitchen. Hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. Share this video with your friends and your family. And please don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my